Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, Taste of Teranga. So today we're making some Senegalese grey fish. For the ingredients, we need some fish, cucumber, bell peppers, tomatoes, onions, lemon, lettuce, and mix it of seasoning. So we're going to use this air fryer. I'm telling you guys, it's really easy. See you guys. Alright, so our fish are already marinated for about 1 hour, like I said earlier. So we're going to fry them in this air fryer. So if you have multiple tasks like me and you want to go fast, this is the right one. I'm telling you, the right one. Okay, let's close the door. Like this, you'll see the instruction. Okay, let's push the button, like the stop button. Okay, and we need the fish instruction for 400 Fahrenheit, 10 minutes for each side. Our onion sauce is already made. Let's saute our shrimp, guys, so it smells really good. Our fish are ready, so you see this, you know what time it is. I'm serving. This is our Senegalese grey fish. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Bye.